2. Getting started in Primavera P6. This section introduces the basic workspace of Primavera P6, explaining how windows, details, and layout options work together when managing project information. 2.1. Workspace Basics. Primavera P6 provides multiple windows and tools that help you navigate project data. In this section, you will learn how to display details, switch between windows, and customize your workspace for easier planning. 1. For dialog boxes, such as roles or OBS, you can control what information appears. Use the Display Options bar inside the dialog box and choose Details to view additional fields. This option makes it easier to understand and edit the data you're working with. 2.1.1. Displaying details for Windows. 1. When working with windows like projects or activities, you can show detailed information at the bottom of the screen. Go to View Show on Bottom Details to activate the Details panel. This helps you quickly review properties, settings, and values for the selected item. 2.1.2. Using main windows effectively. 1. Main windows and tabs. Primavera P6 provides up to 11 main windows. Each one opens as a tab under the toolbars. You can keep several windows open at once and switch views by clicking a tab. The active window is clearly highlighted so you always know where you're working. 2. Display Layout Options bar. Use the Display or Layout Options bar to tailor how information appears. You can show or hide the Details pane, choose table columns, group, sort, filter data, change fonts, colors, row height, expand, collapse grouped rows, and adjust layout settings. The same controls are also available from the toolbars and menus. 3. Close a window. To close any open window, click the X on its tab. 2.1.3. Hint Help, Status Bar, and Layout Options. 1. Hint Help. Turn it on from View Hint Help or Alt plus F1 to see short descriptions when you hover over columns. Toggle it the same way to turn it off. 2. Status Bar. At the bottom, it shows portfolio, access mode, data date, current baseline, last job status, username, and the database alias / type selected at login. Use it to confirm context quickly. 2.1.4. Tile windows horizontally or vertically. 1. Open multiple tab groups and tile windows horizontally or vertically to compare different parts of the project side by side. Example, WBS, Activities, Resources, without switching tabs. 2. View tab groups, new horizontal tab group, to create a bottom area. Move WBS to the bottom as well if you want to work with 2 stacked views at once. 3. To display 3 tab groups vertically, go to View Tab Groups, merge all tab groups. Next, move the Projects tab to the right side of the screen. After that, choose New Vertical Tab Group again and move the WBS tab to the right as well. This will give you 3 vertical workspace sections side by side. 4. To combine horizontal and vertical layouts, move the Resources tab to the right using New Vertical Tab Group. After that, move the Projects tab to the bottom using New Horizontal Tab Group. This layout allows you to view multiple parts of the project at the same time. 5. To resize the layout, drag the horizontal splitter bar to adjust the top and bottom sections, and drag the vertical splitter bar to adjust the left and right sections. 2.1.5. Wizards. 1. Wizards help you complete repeated tasks step by step, such as creating a new project, adding activities or resources, importing or exporting data, and generating reports. 2. If you want the new activity or new resource wizards to open automatically, go to Edit User Preferences Assistance and enable those options.